batchers, welcome to my video. Today we'll be making a Bounty inspired coconut cake. Bounty is a chocolate bar in the UK. It's actually one of my favourite chocolate bars. And today's cake will be naked. You know what that means? You didn't think I was serious, did you? Filth! For our sponge, we're going to start off by creaming our butter and our sugar for 5 minutes in our stand mixer until it's light, pale and fluffy. That should take about 5 minutes. In you go. And now it's time to add my eggs and my self-raising flour to my creamed butter mixture. Remember to look in the description box below for all the quantities. What a nice pair of coconuts. Oh, welcome back. Now we're going to be adding our desiccated coconut and our coconut cream to our mixture to give it that extra coconut flavour and texture. I'm going to combine this on a low speed just to fold them in gently. About a minute or so. Now my mixture is ready, I'm going to transfer it into a square 12-inch tin and pop it in the oven at 170°C for 30 to 35 minutes. You know it's ready when you put a skewer in and it comes out clean. You could also try putting your finger in, and if you say ouch, it's definitely ready. So whilst my cake's baking in the oven, I'm going to move on to the buttercream. To do that, you want to cream your butter, get in, to the stand mixer. Work with me. So I'm going to cream it for 5 minutes on a high to medium speed until it's light, pale and fluffy. Now I'm going to add my sifted icing sugar to my creamed butter. I'm going to add it in 2 stages and bit by bit. Going to set this on a low speed to begin with to prevent a huge puff of icing sugar, also known as the cloud, forming. As Bruce Buffer would say, it's time to add your coconut cream. Let's get mixing. Now that my buttercream's ready and easy to spread, just like, let's get decorating. So cake's ready and cool. So just before we cut the cake, a little tip. Do not listen to my tip about using fingers to test cakes. Otherwise you get an ouch. To cut my cake, I need to follow 4 steps. Step number 1, using a large sharp knife, I will trim the edges of my cake. Step number 2, using a cake leveler, I will level the top of my cake. Step number 3, still using my cake leveler, I will half my cake across. Finally, step number 4, using my sharp knife, I will cut my cake straight across the middle, so I will have 4 rectangles. Now that my cakes are cut, I'm going to move on to the filling. You can use any filling you want. You can use jam, Nutella, but I'm using white chocolate and coconut spread. To do this, I'm going to use a palette knife to spread it. Ooh, so we want a nice, generous coat. Don't be greedy, be generous. I'm going to spread that smoothly and evenly. Make sure you go all the way to the edges. I'm now going to pipe the entire layer of my cake using a tip 32. So small blobs, and these will be used to support the second layer of the cake. Don't want it pretty. Make it rain, make it rain. Make it rain with bounty. Wow, what a stunner. We'll do the same with the next 3 layers. Isn't she pretty? But why settle for pretty when you could go for drop dead gorgeous? To achieve the drop dead gorgeous look, you could add some things to it to zhuzh it up. This is what I'm using. I'm using white and milk chocolate shards with desiccated coconut. Let me know if you'd like to see these in the comments below. Got some Raffaellos, some coconut rings, and more bounty. This time in thick slices. Ta-da! There you have it, batches. My bounty inspired coconut cake. Isn't she gorgeous? If you like this video and coconuts about it, don't be afraid to give it a go. And also like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.